No, it's the new Wii U.
The new one?
There you go.
You can play seating too. They have
Ready to go underwater, Hudson?
remote with the screen.
Ready? Talk to me underwater. Ready, Sal?
Ready.
Okay, he's gonna record video. Just get in the water.
Ready? You're underwater, man.
I can't. I have an infection.
Come on, man.
No, I'm serious. I can't. I mean, with antibiotics and all the stuff.
Ready, Hudson? Shoot the video of your daddy.
I want to see the video when you put it up on YouTube.
Where's the video?
Come on, shoot the video of your daddy.
How? Like this? Push this?
It's already rolling.
You're already recording.
Watch your fingers. Right there. There you go.
There you go. Look, you and me. Hey, this is Vincent. And this is Hatsito and Izzy. Oh, I love you. I love you.
Do another video.
Yeah, we're going to go underwater. Hold it like this in front of you, and then go underwater with it. And hold it so it's looking at yourself right there. Go under, right?
Ready recording. Woo.
They call Vincent. Sal, come here. GoPro stuff. Come here. Shoot Sal.
Hey, Sal, Hudson, I want you to swim to me. Can you swim to me underwater?
Oh, yes, you can.
Swim over here to me.
No, number 4, no.
Right here?
Yeah.
All right, ready? Swim over here to me, Hudson. I'm going to get video of you swimming underwater.
Yeah, he doesn't reach number 4. Stay here.
Okay. Ready to go underwater?
No, let me see if I can spin.
Well, how about from here to there?
Yeah, that will be better.
Okay,
Yeah, here we go.
swim to me, Hudson. Ready? I'm going to get video of you swimming to me. Ready? 1, 2, 3, underwater. You do? Try it again. It's in the bag, Sal. If you go get him. Get mine too, Sal.
Okay.
Ready? Ready? Swim to me. Ready? Underwater. Ready? One more time. Ready? Right here.
Alright, Hatsito.
I'll record one.
Que fue? Abre la boca.
Okay, I'll record. Let me do one good one.
Let Daddy see something. He's the expert.
Oh no, Vince is the expert.
Hey, I'm not rolling. Hey, I don't do any Emmys.
You have one. You have one. 1, 2, the same thing, man. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, go inside the water, okay? 1, 2, 3. I want to see when you edit this, man.
We can watch it on my phone.
Are you going to put it on YouTube?
I can if you want me to.
Alright. Just so I can get it from there.
Okay, I'll do it again. Okay, I'll get it.
That's upside down. That's up here. There you go.
You need to get the screen.
Now I'll get more power. Okay. Y'all do it.
Ready? Sal, you want to come over and swim with Hudson? Swim next to Hudson. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
You want me to swim that way?
Okay. Let me get this out of the way.
No. I don't want to swim that way.
Okay, which way do you want to swim?